Hi, this is Eric with Hague Quality Water. I'm going to talk to you today about this reverse osmosis system here, the G3500AA. This is our latest development in purification. Being that we're in a pretty severe drought here, we want to come out with something that's going to use the least amount of water possible while providing the best quality water for our friends and families. The way this system works here is the water goes through the first stage, which is a 5-micron carbon block filter. So it's going to filter out sand, sediment, dirt. And then it goes through the membrane. This is a new Pentair 1-to-1 membrane. It's going to produce about 36 gallons per day at best. But the purpose of this membrane here is to minimize the wastewater coming out of this machine. Then the water goes through this other filter on the back here, which is a Deionizer filter. The Deionizer will take literally 100% of everything that's left in the water that the reverse osmosis membrane cannot take out. The membrane will take out 95 to 98% of these contaminants. This takes out the additional 5%. That leaves us with water that's a pH of 7 and a total dissolved solid count at about 0. So literally there's nothing in the water. So as clean of a slate as you can start with, then we start to rebuild the water. And we use this remineralization system here manufactured by BIOCERA. This filter here actually adds calcium and magnesium back into the water, and it conditions the water in a way that's going to give you better absorption of the water into your cells. That water then comes through this permeate pump. The permeate pump eliminates a lot of the back pressure caused by the storage tank, so it makes this thing more efficient. This system will literally make water 5 times faster than any other water system in the market without a permeate pump. So the water goes in this tank. It'll hold about 3 gallons of water until you're ready to use it. There's a special dispenser on your kitchen faucet, and then it will draw the water from this tank and run it through this last filter here called the polishing filter. This is a granular activated carbon filter made of coconut shell, and that just makes sure the water tastes fresh, crisp, and clean. So the water you have coming out of your faucet is going to taste exactly the way that you want it to, based on purifying everything out of the water and then remineralizing the water. This system also has a blending valve to adjust the taste of the water depending on your preference. So I like my water really pure. Some people like their water to taste like a lot of minerals. And I'm sure there's people who like their water in between. This knob here gives you control over ultimately the taste of your drinking water for your family and your home. If you like the idea of having ultimate control of your drinking water, you'll definitely want to look at the G3500AA from Hague Quality Water.